What's up YouTube? So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and today's going to be my Speed Champion video, and this is Lego Set 75892, and this is the McLaren. This is my first Speed Champion build. So if you guys do like watching these kind of videos, you know, Lego reviews, some toy figures reviews, and maybe even my speed build playlist, consider subscribing. If you guys like this video, consider, you know, liking it, obviously, because liking does help with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you guys want to comment down below as well, because that also helps. Comment if you guys like this video, if you guys like these fast build videos that I'm doing, and hopefully I'll have more content for you guys to watch. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video, and let's get on to this quick fast build of the Lego Speed Champion McLaren Senna.